Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to allow message requests from members of other servers on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can keep up with how Discord handles messages across servers while staying in control of your inbox. First, open Discord and head to your profile. You'll find your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Tap it to open your account settings. This is your hub for personal preferences, privacy, and how you interact with others on the platform. From there, go to Settings. You'll see a menu of options, so take a moment to locate the section that controls your social experience. This is where you shape how you receive messages from people who aren't in your current server. Next, tap on Content and Social. This section is all about visibility and interactions beyond your active chats. It's designed to give you finer control over who can reach you and how. Scroll down to Server Settings. Here you'll find options specifically tied to messages and connections made through different servers. It's the place where Discord centralizes cross-server communication controls, so you can tailor your experience to your comfort level. Now, look for the toggle labeled Message Requests. This is the switch that determines whether people from other servers can send you invitations to message and start conversations. If you want to see messages from those users, turn this on. When you toggle on message requests, you'll enable a separate inbox for these messages. This helps keep your main chat list uncluttered while still letting you hear from others who reach out from different communities. You can review any requests before granting a full chat, which is especially handy if you're managing a lot of server activity or trying to stay organized. A quick tip: after turning this on, you might want to set expectations with new contacts. You can share a short note in your profile or simply check your message requests regularly so you don't miss important conversations while keeping spam at bay. That's everything. By following these steps, you'll have more control over who can message you across servers, while keeping your Discord experience smooth and manageable. If you found this helpful, consider bookmarking the process for future updates, since app interfaces can shift over time.